We are really happy that he paid us a visit. Dumayan kami sa PSE, namit kita ni Com Haiko and Com Bongku, pati si Director Hiroy, ano? So, napag-usapan yung bilateral cooperation ng Philippines and China, especially on the sports.
Yes. Sir, of course, nakita ko kanina, nag-uusap din kayo while nagpe-perform yung mga athletes natin. Ano ang observation niya, reaction niya sa pinakita natin or the way how we welcome them?
Actually, he said it's our athletes are very good, no? Magandang training natin. So he is also very proud because Chinese coach ang kinuha natin, of course, no? Yun.
Yes. Sir, of course, meron din tayong ine-expect na hosting by 2027 World Wushu Championship and he's also very excited for that hosting.
Sabi ko nga, by maybe another few months, I'll be visit them quite often. No? Bubuluhin ko sila. We need actually also their help. No?
Speaking of the hosting, sir, nagsimula na po ba tayo?
Yes, actually we have already the local organizing committee form already. Onting-onti, we are starting already. By early next year siguro malapit na mag-full swing, no? We are going to set up the local organizing committee office siguro mga 6 months before the start of the game, no? Which will be on early November to mid-November 2027.
Okay, so ang ina-expect ba natin, sir, nasa 2,000 athletes?
We are expecting around 70 to 90 countries. Actually, I just received a message from International Wushu Federation. They are asking if we can move a little bit earlier because on November they have a African game. Parang Asian game natin dito. Meron silang African game, ano, sa Africa. So say if yung schedule, wala pa yung schedule ng Wushu kung kailan. Basta within November. Sabi ko, bahala na. I check with SMX. The whole of October is already fully booked. No? Yung bagong SMX site. No?
Yung bago?
Oh, yeah, yung bago. It's already fully booked. Sabi na, if we can stick on our original schedule, actually, I'm going to Haikou this Sunday, no? We have an executive board meeting at Haikou. At the same time, we have the Taolu World Cup na yung mga atleta natin na training in China. We go straight from their respective places, fly to Haikou to compete, no? And then back to training. They will be in China for 2 months up to end ng August.
Yes. So marami tayong mga inaasahan, Sir Julian, no? And speaking of, may Asian Games din tayong ina-expect.
That's why we are training 2 months sa China, preparing for the Asian Games. Yan ang ano natin.
Gaano kalaki, sir, yung delegation natin?
I think nasa almost 15 sila. At 2 different places. No?
Ano, sir, positive ka naman, sir, when it comes dun sa paghahanda natin ngayon?
Yeah, okay naman. Yan na. Yung sa meeting namin sa Haikou, yan ang itatanong ko sa kanya if they already have the date ng African Games, yung Wushu competition. Siguro, tingnan natin. Para otherwise, yung mga African countries, they cannot send their athletes because conflict, no? Schedule. Other than that, wala naman kami ibang problema.
How about the PSC support, sir?
Fully support. We have fully support from PSC, which I have to thank Chairman Pato Gregorio, no? And also Commissioner Torres and other commissioners. No? Lahat hinihingi natin, halos binibigyan naman nila lahat.
So going back to the hosting, bakit sa SMX site?
Wala, kailangan natin yung lugar, kailangan 1.5 almost 2 ng basketball court ng size. Wala naman tayong indoor stadium na ganyan kalaki. Before itong SMX site, yung SMX Convention Center, yan ang unang kausap namin. And then nung huli, sabi nila they are putting up which will be finished by 2027 first quarter ng 2027. tayo ang unang gagamit actually.
So, talagang in-intend nila ng MOA talaga, regardless kung either sa SMX na lumang o sa SMX sa bago.
Oh, yan ang kasya doon eh. Kasi kailangan natin at least masikip na ng 1.5 basketball court. Mga kailangan natin during the competition, 2 basketball ng court ang kailangan natin doon. So, wala tayong makuha ng ibang na venue to accommodate this si world ito world.
Talaga
Sir,
MOA
as,
level.
as host Philippines po, ano ba yun, sir? We can send as many as we can or may mga qualifying pa bang mangyayari?
Walang qualifying but may mga events na they limit to one night Santa. Each weight category you can only enter one athletes, but in Taulu in one event one person can enter 2 or even 3, It's different.
For my end nga pala, kamusta na yung moral ng ating mga athletes na rin na nagte-training right now sa China?
Moral is high.
Opo. And expectations po?
Of course, we expect them to to train hard and in order to get medals for us sa Philippines.
And lastly, what's your reaction nga pala doon sa pagkakapasok niya ni Angel Polo being the lone representative nga ng Pilipinas nga dito sa Youth Olympic Games which is happening dyan po sa Dakar, Senegal later this year?
Actually, we are happy, out of almost 168, 69 countries, only 48 athletes will be selected from 160 plus countries, and we have one out of that 160 plus countries. So I'm really happy on that.
And with that, yung sa grassroots program, tuloy-tuloy rin ba in other
Yes.
projects?
Actually, Angel Polo is now training in China. I think tuloy-tuloy yung training niya. Even yung mga senior natin babalik dito, tuloy pa rin siya, maiwan siya doon. Siguro another 2-3 months. Actually, we want to train her siguro 5 or 6 months doon para diretso na from China going to Dakar, Senegal. For
Nag-adapt ba
competition.
kayo, Sir Julian, ng parang special training pa for Angel Polo? Lalo na YOG.
Dun sa yung forte niya, actually Fuzhou City, Fujian province is the best in China, so noon namin pinadala.
Sir, siguro on behalf of the Wushu Federation Philippines, as parting message, sir, anong gusto niyong iwan?
Well, I hope na we can give a good performance sa Asian Game and also sa mga kababayan natin next year. We hope the support of all our nations on this once in a lifetime events. It's a World Wushu Championship. We expect around 70 to 90 countries to participate, around 1,002 to 1,005 na athletes, coaches and officials coming all over the world.
Yes. Thank you so much,
Thank you
Sir
so much.
Julian
Thank you.
Camacho.